Hello, and welcome to another Mar-Kov video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to cover how to require a C of A for lot approval and what information is required in order to attach a C of A to a lot in order to approve it. Our agenda for today will cover how to set up the item to require a C of A for lot approval and how to add the required manufacturer information in order to attach a C of A to a lot. In this, we're going to learn how to add the manufacturing information from the purchase receipt program, as well as the update lot program. Let's get started. Let's start by setting up the item. First, we'll go to Item Update, and now we may create a new item, or we may select an existing item that we've previously created. Let's do the latter. To select an item we've previously created, we will go to the Find menu by selecting the Binoculars button. Next, we'll search for our item, and now we'll go to the Testing tab. In the Testing tab, we have a flag called Is C of A Required? If this flag is checked, then a C of A is required in order to release the lot for production. If this flag is unchecked, then a C of A is not required to release the lot. For this training video, we are going to select the Is C of A Required flag. To save our selection, we will hit the Save icon, and now we will proceed to receiving some ground flax seeds from our supplier. For the purposes of this training video, I'm going to skip ahead from the purchase order and jump right into receiving the ground flax seeds. Now it's time to receive our inventory using the purchase receipt program. We will select the purchase receipt icon, and we will go ahead and fill out the purchase receipt form as we have learned in our previous training video. So we filled out our purchase receipt form, and our next step is to add the manufacturer information for this lot of ground flax seeds. So here we can select the manufacturer that manufactured the ground flax seeds, and we can do this by selecting the 3 dots in the manufacturer field. This will bring up a list of all the available manufacturers that have been entered in Mar-Kov, and we will double select the manufacturer for this item. As previously mentioned, it is required to select a manufacturer, add a manufacturing lot and manufacturing date in order to attach a C of A to this lot. And then we'll hit Save, and now we are able to attach a C of A to this specific lot number of ground flax seeds. Now let's go ahead and see an example where we receive the inventory, but we forget to add the manufacturer, manufacturer lot, and manufacturing date, and how we can do so in order to attach a C of A to that specific lot. In this example, we've received inventory for the ground flax seeds, we've saved our purchase receipt, but we've forgotten to add the manufacturer information. What we can do is right-click the lot number, and this is the Mar-Kov generated lot number. Select the Update Lot program, and we'll be brought to the Update Lot form. And this is where we can further define that manufacturer lot number, and manufacturing date, so that we can later attach a C of A to this specific lot of ground flax seeds. Once we are happy with the manufacturer information that we've entered, we can then hit Save. From this point on, we can follow the typical procedure steps in order to attach a C of A to a lot. In review, we covered how to set up the item to require a C of A for lot approval, and how to add the required manufacturer information in both the purchase receipt and update lot program. Thank you, and see you in the next Mar-Kov video tutorial.